Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Zapier with WordPress. First of all, open the web browser. Here search WordPress. Also search Zapier as well. Click to open both. Open the Zapier and click on Create Zap. Choose a trigger as Gmail. Select the event as New Email. Click to continue. Then sign in Gmail. After that, click to continue. Choose the action as WordPress. Select its event as Create Post. Click to continue. Sign in to WordPress, then click on Continue. Go back to the WordPress tab. Click on Plugins from the dashboard. Here search Zapier. Click to activate Zapier for our website. Then click on Upgrade and Active. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.